Big up Crosses TV.
One Crosses TV, man. Crosses TV. Your blood clot. No, no.
Rock and come in. 2 minutes me I stay. Not staying long. How much people have alive? 14. Rock and come in, rock and come in. No run fast. Good night, run. Run because somebody run me down and me have to run. And hurry up, me have to come off back. 17, only 20 people me talk. Hurry up. Come in. Me have something I give away, quick. 20 minutes do what? 20 minutes alone, me. I'm not even 20. Oko, big up yourself. Oko, England at house. Hurry up. Come, me have to get up, me have to jump off of this. 20 people. How much we have? 20 now. We want more. Alright, I'm telling you something. We cross this TV there. Cross this TV alone can come over here, sir. Nobody else can come over here. Anyway, me I beg on a favor. Come in and stay 5 minutes. Me I beg on a favor. I'm gonna call Kimura Barrett. We're there. Big up yourself. Big up your blood clot self. Call Kimura Barrett. She's there Costa Rica. And tell her, me just come from the Pardna, man. The $20,000 Pardna. And I know a Pardna no pay. And the man need other people to give them Pardna right now. Tell her the man don't get him Pardna draw. A Pardna for pay tonight and he not pay yet. He pay from 6 o'clock. Take her nasty blood clot from Costa Rica and the money where she take give big pussy stinking toffee. Cause use the pay the so we can get withdraw. America. You're big and you're bad and you have she big and she bad and she have money to give away and she rich and the partner need to pay from 6 o'clock. And she says she have bank problem. Tell her please, please call her. All our associates and all our friends and please tag Foley and tell Foley if you go pay the partner fear now because the people want the partner money. Cause she take the money and get toffee and now the partner no pay. That's all me have to tell her right now. Me have to come back at her now. Me have to give it to it later. Later on I get on the liquor and the popcorn. Me have to peace out. Me have to go now. Yeah, I don't know why they don't stop calling me name. People, people are you and Crosses TV alone can come over here. So that me say, and that me mean. Me no response. Everybody get seized and bomber clot the season and them blood clot door. Them ever put me on them platform. Anyway, call Kimura Barrett and tell her that the partner man is waiting on the partner. The partner for pay from 6 o'clock. It's due every day 6 o'clock and he not pay from 6 o'clock. And him a call and him not get no answer from them. Please, I'm just doing it for a friend. Pay the partner. Rich kid, pay the partner. And then one more thing. Me I beg gonna tell her, say, please stop follow me. Me buy one pink Versace for my birthday and she go buy the fake yellow and have it at Costa Rica. Just tell her, okay? In Jesus' name, I beg you, me no want no problem because me have to run because me no want them kill me. Because you me a killer, me no want them kill me. So me I beg you, just do it for me. Dranko, why you do it? Go pay the partner, Dranko. Why you do it? Dranko, good night. Give it to her.